these are the equations that we discussed earlier to determine the height of instrument and the reduce level. We are going to use these equations to fill up these columns. So the elevation of the benchmark is given as equal to 100. So it's going to be written over here. And first we are going to determine the height of instrument. The height of instrument is equal to reduce level plus BS, and reduce level is equal to 100 plus 1.57. And height of instrument is coming out to be equal to 101.57. So let's write 101.57 here. After determining HI, we are going to determine the reduced level of the next consecutive points, so B and C. To determine the reduced level of point B and C, we are going to use this formula. Reduced level is equal to HI minus IS or FS. To determine the reduced level of point B, we are going to subtract 0.35 from 101.57. To determine the reduced level at point C, we are going to subtract 0.68 from 101.57. So reduced level at B point is equal to HI, which is equivalent to 101.57 minus IS, which is equal to 0.35, 101.22. Similarly, RLB using this formula can be calculated as equal to 101.57 minus FS. So FS at C point is equal to 0.68. And RLC is coming out to be equal to 100.89. So RLB is 101.22 and RLC is equal to 100.89. Since the instrument changes its position after taking this reading, the height of instrument again needs to be calculated using the same formula. The height of instrument is equal to reduced level plus BS. So reduced level is equal to at C point 100.89 plus BS, which is equal to 0.71. And HI is coming out to be equal to 101.6. After calculating the height of instrument, we again need to apply the second equation to find the reduced level at D, E and F point. To calculate the reduced level, we need to subtract these staff readings from this height of instrument. We can see reduced level is equal to height of instrument minus IS or FS. So the reduced level at D point is coming out to be equal to 99.72. And reduced level at E point is equal to 99.63. And reduced level at F point is equal to 100.85 using this formula. And again, since the instrument changes its position here, after taking this reading, we need to calculate HI again. So HI is equal to reduced level plus BS 100.85 plus 0.65. And it gives us 101.5. And then again, if we need the reduced level of these points, we just have to subtract each of these staff reading from 101.5 to obtain the reduced level at these points. By using this equation, we calculate the reduced level at G, H and I point. At G point, the reduced level is coming out to be 100.72 and H point is coming out to be 100 and at I point it's coming out to be 99.9. And we're done. If you want to verify your calculations related to height of instrument method, there also exists an arithmetic check. So it says that the summation of the difference of the staff reading BS minus FS should be equal to last RL minus first RL. So let's try to calculate the left hand side first. So summation BS is nothing but the summation of the values in this column. So 1.57 plus 0.71 plus 0.65 is equal to 2.93. And summation FS is the summation of the values in this column. So if you add it up, it sums up to around 3.03. Now, if you try to calculate summation BS minus summation FS, it's equal to 2.93 minus 3.03, and it gives me value around 0.01. Now let's try to calculate the right hand side. So right hand side is equal to last RL minus first RL. Last RL is this value, 99.9 minus first RL. So first RL is this value over here. And if you subtract them, take the difference, it's coming out to be 0.01. And you can see left hand side is equal to right hand side, which means that our calculations are mathematically correct. If you have any kind of question related to this topic, please write it down in the comment section. I'll try my level best to answer them. Thanks for watching.